to be working in a field where I can really help people in achieving their goals. It's my intention to work with you and those you care about long after your first mortgage. It's important for you to understand exactly what a mortgage broker does, and most importantly, how I can help you. I act for you in 3 different ways: as your consultant, your negotiator, and the overseer of all the details. As your consultant, I ask you insightful questions that a typical lender may not ask, because discovering what's important to you is very important to me. With over 21 years of banking and broker experience, I am able to ensure that the right questions are asked, and this allows me to ensure that the mortgage is tailor-fit exclusively to your needs. As your negotiator, I treat your money like it's my own. You, like me, know that money is an emotional issue, and to represent yourself is not always in your best interest. Going into your own bank or other institution without a mortgage broker's experience and expertise is like performing surgery on yourself. On a daily basis, I ensure that I am top of current economic news and trends, government policies and programs, as well as 30 lenders' products and rates. Additionally, as an accredited mortgage professional, I'm required to obtain a certain number of educational credits each year in order to keep my skill set current. All of that would be very difficult and time-consuming for you to do on your own. Also, unlike the banker, and remember, I know I was one, I have a huge range of different lenders' products. I don't just have one bank's products to sell. Bottom line, and most importantly, I work for you, not the bank. As the overseer of all the details, I work with the lender we've agreed upon, your lawyer, your real estate agent, and often an appraiser to coordinate the functions as they relate to your mortgage advance. Attention to detail and timeliness are extremely critical when trying to obtain a mortgage. It's important to know that it's not only about the rate, it's about working with someone who has a strong relationship with many excellent lenders and knows how to put their client's situation in the best light when presenting a mortgage request to a lender. It's also about working with someone you trust and feel connected with, and someone you know who will give 110% working for you. It's also someone who empowers you with options and recommendations, and someone you know who has the skill and experience to provide the best financial advice. Because it's often misunderstood, I also believe it's important for you to know how I am paid. My services are absolutely free to you upon credit approval. My only source of income is the fee that is paid to me by the lending institution that you and I agree to work with. Only when your mortgage successfully closes am I paid. Therefore, I upfront all costs related to obtaining your mortgage. So it's extremely important for me to work with clients who value mutual respect and loyalty. Though a successful closing is important to both of us, for me it goes far beyond that. My purpose is for you to be so outrageously happy with the help that I provide you that you'll gladly introduce me to 2 people you care about even before your mortgage is funded, and not because you feel obligated to, but because you know they'll truly benefit. As I mentioned, the commitment I give to myself and to my clients is to always give 110%. However, I can only do this with clients that are committed to working with me and truly see the benefit of the service I provide. For me to work in your best interest, it's important for me to know that we are equally committed to working with each other. Working in this type of relationship always yields the greatest benefit.
When we first started looking to arrange our mortgage, it was really intimidating with the person we had. It's uncomfortable sometimes sharing your private information and your finances when you're not seeing a result. That's when Karen's name came recommended to us from a family friend. The process of working with her was easy. We had great confidence in what she was doing. The offers we were given from her were superb, and it was a really wonderful experience overall. Karen was fantastic at beating the bank's rates. She gave us many different options that we had time to review, and the whole process was entirely stress-free working with her. Karen's experience gave us the assurance that we were getting the best possible mortgage, and the end result ended up being far better than we anticipated in the first place. We've highly recommended her to other people, and we would continue to do so. It was a great overall experience.